horse town, another damned old rodeo. I know this life is crazy, but I'll be home soon, baby. I'll ride in on a sunny day, sing your songs, steal your heart away like a cowboy. Hang my head like I'm here for a while, kick off my boots and drive you wild like a cowboy. Baby, you know I can't stay long. Wake up, I'll be gone. Till then, I'll hold on like a cowboy. I keep your picture tucked inside my old hat. It brings me love. Need a bunch of that. This midnight winding road runs through my blood. I can't give it up like I said I would. I know it's hard on you, but like I always do, I'll ride in on a sunny day, sing you a song, steal your heart away like a cowboy. Hang my head like I'm here for a while, kick off my boots, drive you wild like a cowboy. Baby, you know I can't stay long. You wake up, I'll be gone. Till then, I'll hold on like a cowboy. I'll ride in on a sunny day, sing you a song, steal your heart away like a cowboy. Hang my head like I'm here for a while, kick off my boots, drive you wild like a cowboy. Like a Every time I fall, I get back up again. Cinch my saddle up and find me another
WKHX Marietta, Powder Springs, Smyrna.
A Cumulus station.
Powered by Nash. Hi, it's Sean Parr.
And I'm Elena.
Nash Nights Live starts now.
Kicks 1015 Atlanta.
Waking up in my college dorm. Yeah, my life, it was pretty normal. Looking for a date to the spring form. I wasn't worried about nothing else, no. Majoring in undecided, notebook full of bad songs I was writing. Never dreamed anybody else would like them. Now they're sitting on a Walmart shelf. Ain't it funny how life changes? You wake up, ain't nothing the same, and life changes. You can't stop it, just hop on a train. You never know what's gonna happen. You make your plans and you got laughing. my daddy and mama, you're gonna have a grandkid. Yep. From Uganda, that's right, we're adopting, and she is the cutest little girl that you ever seen. While I was wrapping my head around being a dad, a big wrench got thrown in the plans we thought we had. Now there's Willa and sweet Ada James, that's two on the toot. Now hey, what can I say? Funny how